Good morning, students. Now this is your social study class. Students, for the enrichment marks you have to do some activities also. Activities that you have to show in your notebook, classwork notebook, as well as in your activity file. Okay, so for each chapter you have to do some activities. Like, we will start from chapter 7, Climate of India. That you have to do, this is important. First is, number 1 is in copy in your notebook, page number 48. Page number 48. This is page number 48. Okay. On a map of India, mark the following. That means you paste a political map of India in your notebook, classwork copy. Okay. And then you will do these things. You will mark these things, color it with different. Don't color blue. No need to color blue. Okay. You can color purple, okay, but not blue. No need to do the thing in blue. A list, a state that gets the least rainfall. Which state? Rajasthan. Note down Rajasthan, page number 48. That means you will color Rajasthan. Which color? Light purple. You will color light purple. Okay. Number 2. A state that gets rain in winter. You will color with you can color deep purple. Okay, that is Tamil Nadu. Answer of second is Tamil Nadu. And the third one, a state that gets the maximum rainfall. Okay, what is the answer? Meghalaya. You will color this state with blue. You can color here with blue, not all blues. Okay, like the first one, least rainfall, light purple, and then the second one, winter, rain in winter, that is Tamil Nadu, deep purple like this. And a state that gets maximum rainfall, that you can do blue. That is you can deep blue, you can do. But don't forget to label it. You have to write down, give if the space is not sufficient, then make a mark, arrow, and write. Make an arrow and write the names of the state. And the second one is that you will do in your activity file of chapter 7. That is, see this map you have to draw on the political map, political outline map. First you will do in your activity file, you will write chapter 7, the climate of India, give the date 17/7/20, and then one by one you will do. First you will write a brief account on climatic zones and the seasons in India. In brief you will write. Okay. page, in one page you will write climatic zones, in another page you will write seasons in India, and then you will give this map that is given in your book, page number 46. Okay, you will show this. Here it is given blue color. Okay, instead of this you can use light purple. Okay, follow the instruction what I am giving you. Afterwards you will say, Miss, I have not understood or all this. No, listen carefully how I am telling to do that only. Next, on outline map of political India, that you will paste on the white page of activity file. Paste an outline map of India. And what type of map of outline map of India? That is political. Okay, where the boundaries of states are showing. Mark and color the rainfall and winds in July. Page number 46, given in page number 46. This you have to do. No need to draw. No need to draw the, see, it is given. No, you have to draw. The scale you have to draw, otherwise what you will show? Draw the scale. Scale is given here, that you will draw. And color it, what I told you, color as it is given, what is given in the book, follow that color. Only for blue color here you will do light purple. You will use light purple. Okay, come on to chapter 8. That is kinds of soil. Same thing I have given here. Map work, page number, open page number 55. Map work is given that you will do in copy, in your classwork copy, right? So what is given? On an outline map of India, mark the following. 1. A state where alluvium soil is found. You have to show the state where alluvium soil is found. That you can write Bihar. Okay. Number 2. Any state you can write. Okay. But should be correct. A state where black soil is found. Maharashtra. Okay. One more you can write. A state where red soil is found. A state where red soil is found. You can mark Andhra Pradesh. Okay. So like this, you can also show a state where laterite soil is found. You can write laterite soil, that is Karnataka. You can show Karnataka, or you can show Odisha. Okay. So this is the thing you have to do in notebook, classwork copy. And the next thing is, in activity file, okay, write a brief account on soils of India. Brief account on soils of India. From book you can take help from the book and write on the lined page, and on the white page you will paste another outline map, political map. Okay, on outline map of political India, show the distribution of soil in India. That is given in the page number 53. This one, page number 53. Okay. So students, I think you can complete this, because this also carries marks. Enrichment, all these are comes in the term of enrichment. This all activities and this enrichment carries marks. So you will complete this. When I will tell you to show me, then you have to show this. Okay, so the class ends here. Complete it, and next from Monday you have unit test. For that, best of luck to you all my students. Thank you.